Hello and welcome to SAW Cybersecurity Channel. This is Saqib Warsi. I'm a certified ethical hacker, offensive security certified professional, and information system security professional. Today, I want to give a demo for the proof of concept of server-side include injection vulnerability. This vulnerability is due to a weakness in input validation for a command or service offered by an application. This vulnerability allows an attacker to perform remote code execution and that can lead to a complete compromise of the system. In order to perform the proof of concept, I downloaded a vulnerable web application named BBAP from VulnHub. It is an extremely buggy application, especially designed to perform a number of proof of concepts, including SSI injection vulnerability. Let's play around and see how we can exploit this vulnerability. Okay, so let's go there. So as you can see here that the page gives an option where you have to input the first name and the last name. And let's try to see what it does. This is the first and this is the last name. So as you can see, what this application is doing is writing it down, the first and the last name, and it's actually showing up what is your IP. So now let's try to do some code injection to see how we can exploit this vulnerability. Let's see if we can put some commands like pwd and see if we can execute that. So apparently that is not executing. We can try different formats. So it is not interpreting as a command. So we'll have to come up with something else. Okay, so let's try this command to see if we can execute it. And let's hit the lookup. So here you go. You can run the ID command and it shows that what is the ID of this particular user. Let's try to change this and see if we can see the etc password and execute this command. So here you go. You can see the etc password file for this particular machine. Now, in order to exploit it and then get a reverse shell, let's try to run some other command to get a shell. Okay, so let's run the nc command. And see if we can get a shell here. And execute it. So now it's waiting for it. On the other side, let's run this command to get a shell. I think we already got it. Here you go. We got the shell. And in order to get a better shell, let's try to run a Python command. So get out of this and get a better prompt. So let's try this command to get a prompt. So you got a better prompt here, running this Python command to import and execute bin bash. And here you go. You can see all the files and do all sorts of things. So as you can see that server-side injection vulnerability can be exploited and it can be used to get a complete compromise of the system, and you should be able to check your code for any issues like that and perform data sanitization and input validation for these type of codes. So that's what I have it for this proof of concept. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found this video informational, please subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to comment and like this if you have any questions. Thank you so very much for watching this video.